What's the meaning of affected? Affected. 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 The term affected refers to the influence or impact that something may have on a person, group or situation. When someone or something is affected, it means there has been a change in their behavior, emotions, physical state or circumstances due to an external factor. This change can be positive or negative, temporary or permanent, and can range from subtle to drastic. For example, a sudden loss of income can affect a family's lifestyle and emotional well-being, while a successful medical treatment can positively affect a patient's overall health and outlook on life.